Hello everyone, my name is Scott Hummel and I work at a public charter school called Chesapeake Math and IT Academy in Laurel, Maryland. This is my third year there teaching high school English as well as drama. I live in Columbia, Maryland with my wife of 5 years, Nicole, and our 4-year-old daughter, Autumn. And let's see, in my free time, which kind of seems like a fantasy to us teachers, but whenever I do come across this ever elusive free time, I enjoy playing music, listening to music, spending time with the family. Love to be outdoors and in nature, but that hasn't been so feasible as of late with the weather being what it is. Gotta love Maryland weather, right? But I'm really looking forward to getting this semester underway and working with all of you. So